Today we're looking for the perfect gaming keyboard for you. With so many options, what is the perfect gaming keyboard? Let's start with size. So this is probably one of the biggest gaming keyboards you'll find, with numpad, media keys, and macros. Slightly smaller, getting rid of the macro keys and less media keys. Now, the first major size change, the numpad has left the building, along with the media keys. Getting even smaller, we've lost some of these unnecessary keys, and the media keys have returned in the form of a programmable dial. So this is one of the smallest QWERTY keyboards, similar to the previous keyboard missing the function keys, but also sacrificing some additional keys on the side, as well as the arrow keys, which in my opinion is not worth it. Okay.
I found one a little bit smaller.
But now is not the time. Now for the typing experience, starting with membrane. Low profile membrane. Memchanical. Mechanical. Last up, low profile mechanical. Mechanical keyboards can vary when it comes to sound, look, and feel, depending on the keycaps, the switch type, and the build quality. So some sound amazing, some are quiet, and some are... So what is our favorite keyboard? First of all, we have to keep it mechanical. Secondly, we need mouse space. So these are out. Thirdly, this 1950s typewriter can go eat shit. And now for the final three. Let's give them a final listen. That's cheap plastic. For the finals, we have the Ducky and the Cooler Master. Both excellent keyboards, but the Ducky does not have arrow keys, and overall, the Cooler Master has a better sound and build quality. And that is why that's our winner.